Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to May 16th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
Today's activity is summer DIY, making homemade ice cream together for a fun, delicious bonding experience. Step 1. Choose your recipe. Decide on your flavors: classic vanilla, fruity blends, or rich chocolate. Get creative by combining ideas for a unique family creation. Step 2. Gather ingredients and assign tasks. Collect all the ingredients and tools you'll need. Divide tasks: measuring, mixing, or decorating, so everyone can play a part in the process. Step 3. Create your ice cream. Follow the recipe, step by step, stirring in laughter and love. Add a creative twist with unique flavors, colorful toppings, or fun molds for a personal touch. Step 4. Celebrate teamwork. Once your ice cream is ready to freeze, take a moment to celebrate the teamwork that made it happen. Anticipation makes the treat even sweeter. Step 5. Enjoy your creation together. When it's ready, savor your homemade ice cream as a family. Share what you love most about it and start planning your next flavor adventure. Making homemade ice cream enhances family bonding, sparks creativity, teaches life skills, and creates joyful memories. Celebrate summer DIY today by turning a simple treat into a family tradition. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.